Introducing the Snail Medifacial by Selfie Skin, a 3-step rejuvenating ritual designed to cleanse, hydrate, and calm your skin. Start with our deep cleansing balm. It begins as water and transforms into a soft milky texture. It melts impurities while exfoliating gently with salicylic acid and nourishing with shea butter and oat oil. Step 2. Hydra Massage Cream. Next, massage with our Hydra Cream, enriched with ceramides, niacinamide, and sweet almond oil. It provides deep hydration and strengthens your skin barrier while leaving your skin bright and plump. Step 3. Soothing Mask Plus Devices. Finish with our calming soothing mask, packed with aloe vera, arnica, and niacinamide. It soothes inflammation and tightens pores. Use devices like ultrasound, RF, LED, or cold hammer for enhanced effects. Perfect for sensitive, dull, post-procedure, or pigmented skin. To order your Snail Medifacial Kit, contact our sales team today.